Pageant update for today. Kakatapos lang ng Miss Universe Philippines 2024 National Costume Competition na ginanap sa Sultan Kudarat. Lahat sila magagaling. Pero guys, nag-iisa lang talaga ang nangingibabaw for today's competition. At siya ang bet ko for this year's na mananalong Best in National Costume. At walang iba kundi si Miss Universe Philippines Iloilo Alexi May Brooks. At guys, panoorin natin ang kanyang full winning performance during the National Costume Competition. At wag na natin patagalin pa. Ito siya guys, panoorin natin to.
Iloilo City.
Alexis' costume sports a bodysuit with sparkling multicolored details arranged in a design that resembles an 8-legged critter called Ugto Ugto, an Ilonggo term for an orb weaver spider. Vital to the spider's symbolism is ingenuity. Its gentle yet complex webs remind us how to be creative and persistent artisans, urging us to weave our dreams with meaning and precision. Designer, Tata Pinuela.
Okay guys, agree ba kayo na siya na talaga ang mananalong Best in National Costume for this year's National Costume Competition of Miss Universe Philippines 2024? Abangan natin yan. Thanks for watching!